Do you ever feel like you're doing the right thing, showing up, working hard, delivering results, but still leadership opportunities pass you by? You know you've got what it takes, the skill, the vision, the mindset. But when it's time to choose a leader, your name isn't called. So you start wondering, what am I missing? Here's the truth that most people will never tell you. Leadership isn't given, it's recognized. And if you want people to see you as a leader, you have to start showing up as one before anybody gives you the title. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let me introduce you to someone. We'll call him David. David was a top performer in his department. Smart, dependable, always got the job done. But no matter how consistent he was, no matter how many wins he racked up, he kept getting passed over for promotions. Each time a leadership opportunity came up, someone else's name was chosen. First he thought, maybe I need more experience. And then he started thinking, maybe I just need to work harder. But nothing changed. Then one day David's mentor hit him with a real truth bomb. David, do you think leadership is about how hard you work? David nodded yes. The mentor shook his head. No, David. Leadership is about how people see you. And right now they see you as a great employee, but not a leader, because you haven't shown them you're one yet. That moment flipped a switch. David realized that if he wanted to be seen as a leader, he had to start leading right now, without the title and without waiting for validation. So he made the shift. He began speaking up in meetings with leadership level insights. He took ownership of cross-functional projects without being asked. He supported his team. He mentored others and became a source of clarity. And here's what happened. He didn't get the promotion that round, but something changed. People started coming to him for direction. Leaders started asking for his input. His name came up in rooms where he wasn't even in yet. And eventually, he didn't just get one opportunity, he got options. Because leadership isn't something you wait for, it's something you grow into. So why do so many high performers get overlooked? Because they fall into one of these traps, the work harder trap, believing that effort alone earns visibility, the wait for permission trap, waiting to be chosen instead of choosing to lead, the expert, not leader trap, becoming so valuable in their current role that no one sees them as capable of more. And here's the truth. Leadership isn't just about what you do. It's about how you show up, think, and influence. So if you're ready to be seen, let's talk about how to get there. Step 1, start thinking like a leader. Leaders don't just check boxes. They see the bigger picture. Ask yourself, am I bringing strategy, not just execution? Am I solving problems that affect the team, not just my own workload? Am I operating with vision, not just task management? When you start thinking like a leader, people begin seeing you as one. Step 2, lead where you are. You don't have to wait to be given authority. Take ownership. If something matters, claim it. Show initiative. Don't wait to be asked. Build others. Help people rise. That's what real leaders do. You don't need a title to lead. You need a willingness to serve and the courage to act. If this is the shift that you know you need to make, I created something just for you. Download the Authentic Leadership Playbook. It's my free guide to the Real Power Framework and the 9 pillars of authentic leadership. These are the exact tools that people need to move from being overlooked to being undeniable. So grab your free copy, use the link in the description. Step 3, make your leadership visible. Here's the truth. It's not enough to be a leader. You have to be seen as a leader. Talk about your impact. This isn't bragging. It's leadership visibility. Build relationships with decision makers. Your net worth is your net worth. Own the room. Walk in like someone who belongs there because you do. You can't be invisible and expect to be chosen. So stop waiting. Start showing up. A mentor once told me, you will long perform the capacity of a leader before you ever have the title. And that stuck with me. So let me ask you, what's one small way you're going to show up as a leader this week? Before anyone gives you permission, drop it in the comments. I want to hear your game plan. And if you're ready to step into leadership with clarity and with confidence, let's have a real conversation. Book your free 30-minute strategy session using the link below. Let's map out your next move together. And if you've been waiting for someone to tell you it's time, let me go ahead and do this for you right now. It's time. You don't need a title to lead. You just need the decision to start. So show up, speak up, lead boldly, because the moment you do, the recognition will follow. So until next time, live big, live full, live authentic.